It's 8:56 in the morning on Thursday, October 31st, Halloween. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. I was speaking to another gentleman, OPEC, and he let me know that the gentleman that used to come by and feed the javalinas and the birds passed away. That's why I haven't seen him in a while. Well, I hadn't seen him in a while. Condolences to his family. Seen a lot of, I haven't seen any javalinas, but I have seen a lot of some green jays right there. I've seen several green jays and a lot of chichalacas. See, there's one right there. Let me see if I can zoom into it. Right beneath it, right there, is another chachalaca. And there's another one there. Earlier I saw spotted about maybe a dozen, maybe more. Yeah, that's why I haven't seen the old man, the retired policeman. Was from Raymondville and moved down here to Harlingen. Got a little mourning dove there. Oh, that's not a mourning dove. That's probably a ground dove. The mourning dove's over here. So it looks too small to be a too big to be an Inca dove. Too small to be a mourning dove. This guy's right. He went into the brush right there. Zoom. I'm glad to see that somebody's feeding the birds, the javalinas. Well, I'm gonna put in the video, and I'm gonna do a walking video here.